So as you have seen, my friends, the Black Friday offer is back and you can use it right now to join our premium group with the cheapest prices possible. And let me tell you that the renewals are also included in this offer. So if you already have a membership with Extreme Trader Forex Signals group, you can renew your membership using this very great offer. And let's talk about the Forex signals that we have sent this week so far. Actually, we have received also some messages from the members understanding that losing is part of this business. As we can see, my friends, on Monday we have two of the signals have hit the stop loss. But however, what happened next has recovered all the losses happened. As we can see, even if you relied only on take profit number one, you could have simply recovered these two losses. As we can see, we had right here four of the signals have hit the take profit number one, and then a fifth one have also hit the take profit number one, and then the pound AUD have reached the take profit number two. And as we can see right now, we are running in profits. It's only 2 days of the signals, and as I said before, that is normal, especially with the announcement that Mr. Joe Biden has recommended or nominated Mr. Jerome Powell for to serve the chair of the Federal Reserves. And actually that has made the gold prices to go down, and we will talk about that later. So anyway, I believe it's normal what's happening, and I hope that by the end of the week we will end in a very, very good profit, and hopefully everyone will be very happy with the results. So of course, if you wish to join Extreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today and hopefully we will see you there. Alright, so now let's take a look at the market and let's see what are the setups and chances that are waiting for us for the remaining days of this week. And of course, as usual, we will start with the Euro USD. I want to remind everyone that last week I have said that once you see this price action right here, there's actually a very good bearish breakout candle, and this price action usually indicates a continuation in the momentum. And as I told you, my friends, the market has indeed resumed the fall right after the appearance of this candle. Don't underestimate this candle. Trust me, it's quite trustworthy. However, the market also on Tuesday has made this, I can say it's like a pathetic attempt to make any bullish reversal on this level. The bulls have actually failed to take the market up with them. But however, I believe by the opening on Wednesday, the market is already in bearish. So therefore, we can expect from the market to continue the fall for the remaining days of this week. However, right now we are facing also a support level right here on 1.12284, and all we can hope for is another pullback right here, exactly right here from the support level. So we can hope for another pullback for another 36 pips, and right here actually, my friends, is gonna be a good level to start shorting the Euro USD, exactly from this level of the previous resistance on 1.12700. That's gonna be our next level to start shorting the pair, 2700. That's gonna be our new signal, and let's hope for the market to make another pullback right here just to retest the broken support level. And we already have right here a resistance number one has been created, so we can only hope for a second attempt of the resistance. And of course the target remains the same, because actually we are having quite a good target. I mean, we're aiming this support level right here, and this the take profit level is 85 pips far away from the entry. So therefore, I believe this is everything for the Euro USD. Nothing can be said more than that. The pair is definitely going to be bearish. However, if you want to start shorting the Euro USD right away, I believe you can go for it. But however, prepare for about 30 pips of drawdown before it's going to be finally in profit. So there goes your signal for the Euro USD. Hopefully it's going to be a good one, and hopefully everyone will end it in a good profit. Let's take a look at the pound USD. The pound USD, as we can see, my friends, has actually been a perfect one. It has exactly reversed from the level of 1.34501 and went all the way to the take profit level, making more than 100 pips of profit for everyone who have taken this signal. I hope you guys have actually taken it, and hopefully you made some really good profits with this signal. So let me now delete the old signal and let's see what we can do next with the pound USD. Now let me tell you something. For the pound USD, actually, my friends, if we go to the daily chart, we can see that right here the market has made the bearish breakout from that long-term support trend line, as we can see right here, and the market has already retested the broken support trend line and created a new resistance trend line, which means we can expect from the pair to continue the fall right now, because right now the market has created a resistance trend line. So which means the market right now is moving in a bearish trend or in a downtrend. Now let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the downtrend that we are having right here. Let me just make it more clear for you. Exactly like that. Perfect. So we can hope for the pound USD to actually continue the rise again. Now it's actually facing a strong support level on 1.33556. As you can see, the pair right now is reversing at this level. So most likely what's going to happen next is that the pound USD is going to continue the rise again. And as you can see right here, we're having a strong bearish breakout candle. And it was here actually previously a very strong key support level. Now, by seeing this strong bearish breakout candle, we can see that right here we're having the nearest resistance to this bearish breakout candle, which means we can wait for the pound USD to continue the rise again for another, I would say, 46 pips before it's gonna be good for another short. And right here, my friends, we can start shorting the pair, and therefore we can expect from the pair to actually make the bearish breakout from that support level right here. That being said, let me now write for you the signal and I'll be back to you. There goes your signal for the pound USD, my friends. Let me just zoom in so I can show you this. Right here we are having the nearest support to the bearish breakout candle as well. So therefore this is exactly where we will be shorting the pair. Now if after releasing this video we have seen the pair for any reason whatsoever has actually made a strong bullish momentum and immediately reach this level, I want you guys to rely more on that resistance trend line right here. If you see the market has made a strong bullish momentum, please wait for it to reach the peak of the resistance trend line, and afterwards it's gonna hopefully reverse and hopefully it's gonna give us a good profit. We can expect to make approximately 84 pips profit from this signal. As we can see also, the target is the nearest support which has already been created last night on the pound USD. Most likely the pair is gonna revisit this place for two reasons. Number one is to create a resistance number 3, because we already have here 1, 2. Sorry, support, I mean support, not resistance. Let me delete that. So the pair can actually fall down all the way to the take profit level for two reasons. Number one is to create a support number 3, because we have here 1, 2 attempts of a support. So therefore the pair is gonna fall down again to create a third attempt of the support, or to break out from that level of the support. So either ways, it's gonna eventually continue the fall to this support level, and after that we have to close the trade with a profit. We don't really care if the market is gonna continue the fall or not, since we have closed this trade with profit and already left it. So there goes your signal for the pound USD. Hopefully it's gonna go very well, and hopefully everyone will make good profits out of it. Let's now take a look at the AUD USD. AUD USD signal has also worked perfectly fine. As you can see, the pair has reversed exactly from 0.72662, and I'm very happy with the results. We had so far 44 pips profit from the AUD USD signal. Hopefully you guys have actually taken it. So let's now see what we can expect next from this pair. So as we can see, the pair has also made this strong bearish breakout candle. Now what's happening is remarkable, because we can see that the market has made a very strong bearish movement, then suddenly went in consolidation mode. Now it's ranging right here. So most likely the pair eventually gonna continue the rise again, reaching this previous support level on the 4-hour time frame, and after that it's gonna continue the fall. Sorry, the fall, not the fail, sorry, the fall. As you can see also right here, we're having this resistance trend line, and notice that it's completely matches up along with the previous support level right here. So as I said, this is gonna be a great level to start shorting the AUD USD. We have to wait for the pair to rise for another 21 or 22 pips only before we can start shorting it. So let me write for you the new signal. So there goes your signal, my friends. For anyone who missed entering the AUD or did not really enter this signal, you can enter it again after the pair rises again to retest the broken support level right here on 0.72429. That's gonna be a good level to start charting the pair. Also, it's gonna hit the resistance trend line that we're having right here, and with this very strong bearish momentum on this downtrend, most likely the pair is gonna respect the level, and the target remains the same. So meaning we are expecting to make approximately 70 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone will be ranging for approximately 40 pips, as we can see right here. There goes your signal for the AUD. Hopefully it's gonna work very well, and hopefully it's gonna bring us lots of profits. Let's now take a look at the USD CAD. Now the USD CAD actually is on a very critical level, because right now we are having here this upper trend, this support trend line, and as we can see, the market is actually respecting this level. Right now we are already here on this support trend line, but however, we don't have right here much of a strong support level to rely on. Therefore, if the market has actually closed below this level, it most likely means that this signal or this market is going to continue the fall right here. But however, I'm actually expecting it to continue the rise immediately, right away. For a simple reason, the market has already right here created a new support level. As we can see, my friends, we have right here a previous resistance level, and it seems to me that the market is respecting this support trend line, and hence this resistance level has already become a new support level. So therefore, most likely the USD CAD is going to continue the rise. So this actually the buy order hasn't been triggered, sadly, but however, the signal right now for the USD CAD is going to be for the buy now, because actually the market is really good to be bought immediately. So therefore, let me just change the level. It's exactly right here, exactly where the price is on right now at the moment of making this video, which is, by the way, 6:17 a.m. Dubai time, just to know how early I wake up just to make these videos for you, my friends. So buy now at 1.26758 for the USD CAD, and the safe zone will be ranging till only the next level of the support level, the nearest level of the support, because as I said before, we are relying on this support trend line right here, and if the market has ever made any bearish break out of it, it means that this signal is no longer valid. We are only hoping for the market to respect this level of previous support level, previous resistance. That being said, the target will be right here, the peak of the resistance at 1.27634, which means we can expect to make approximately 90 pips profit from this signal. Therefore, the take profit level 1.27634. There goes your signal for the USD CAD. Hopefully, my friends, it will work very well, and hopefully it's gonna bring us lots of profits. USD JPY. USD JPY sadly didn't work at all. As you can see, it already has triggered this sell level, but sadly the market has created this strong, very strong bullish candle, and immediately made this trade fail. And of course, that is normal, and yeah, it happened. I can't do anything about it. All we can do right now is just go along with the market, and let's see what exactly we can expect next. So for me, it seems like the USD/JPY right now is moving in a bullish momentum. So we can expect right now to start buying this pair. The question is where exactly we can start buying it. Let me now use a strategy called the magic of trend lines. I have actually several videos on my channel explaining this strategy, and you can use it to analyze the market to know exactly where you can start buying the pair. All you need to do is mark the strong key support levels. We have right here a strong key support trend lines, and all we do right now is just simply drag this line. Now notice something. This line actually respects the support trend line right here, right? Now if you drag it right here, you can see that it's also, we are having here a support trend line, and also it respects the support trend line here again. So the market is still respecting this level. Drag it a little bit more up, and check this out. We already have here a support trend line as well, and the market is still respecting this level. It has already become a resistance trend line, and eventually another resistance trend line, and then again the market has, after making this bullish breakout candle, has actually respected the same level and became another support trend line. Very interesting, right? No matter how you draw it, actually, no matter where you drag it, you will notice that the market is eventually respecting this level all the way. Here also, my friends, it was a strong support trend line and already became a resistance trend line number 1 and number 2, and seems to me like also number 3 is approaching. So therefore, how we can use this line to identify the new target? The answer is simple. All we need to do is looking for the first or the second attempts of a support, which means right here we're having this resistance trend line, which has, after the breakout candle, has become a support trend line. So therefore, right here, we can expect from the market to continue the rise, because it's going to actually, as we can see, the market is moving in a very strong bullish momentum. Therefore, since we are having here a first attempt of a support trend line, a support trend line, we can expect from the market, by the way, number 1, we can expect from the market to make a second attempt. So it's going to be a support trend line number 2. And that is exactly where we can start buying the pair. As simple as that. So therefore, let me just drag this line right here. Exactly like that. And here, my friends, we can start again buying the USD JPY. And hopefully, it's going to be a safe trade. So let me just write for you the targets and the buy level. So here goes your signal. We can buy the USD JPY at 114.889. And for the target, we have to go to the weekly chart that we can see right here. The peak of the resistance at 115.531 is going to be our target, which means we can expect to make a profit of, I would say about 70 pips profit. Actually, less than that. I believe about, 70 pips from this trade. Meanwhile, this safe zone will be ranging for approximately 37 pips, no more, because we are relying on that support trend line. So if the market has ever been able to break out from that level, it means that this level of a support trend line is not trusted anymore, and therefore this signal is no longer valid. There goes your signal for the USD JPY for the remaining days of this week. Hopefully it's gonna be a good one, and hopefully everyone will make good profits out of it. Let's now take a look at the USD CHF. USD CHF has also been triggered, as you can see, my friends, on Monday, and thankfully it is going in a very good profit. So far, 63 pips of profit. Hopefully, guys have taken it, and hopefully enjoying the profits that we are making using these signals. So let's see what we can do next with this pair. Actually, for those who have entered this signal, you can keep your trade running. It's very close to the take profit level. Hopefully our target will be reached. But for those who have actually missed entering this signal, let me tell you that we are having right here also a support trend line, as you can see, my friends. And this seems to me that the market is moving in a very strong bullish momentum. Therefore, we can expect from the market, as we can see, to respect that level of previous support trend line. Pay attention. The support trend line right here has already become a resistance trend line for only one single attempt. After that, the market has created here a strong bullish breakout candle, and again that support trend line has actually been created, meaning it's respecting the strong support trend line that we are having right here. That being said, all we can hope for is for another pullback to fall right here to create a supported trend line number 2, and afterwards we can start buying the pair once it reaches that level of a support. Therefore, the target, actually, my friends, still remains the same. I'm not going to change it, but however, I'm going to tell you that we can start buying again, exactly right here. Buy again at 0.93221. That's going to be actually a good level to start buying again for those who have missed the to enter the signal. The target will be approximately 45 pips, but however, the safe zone will be ranging for less than that. This is the ranging for the space for the safe zone, as we can see right here, for the new signal. Only because for those who have actually missed entering the signal, the safe zone will be ranging for only 20 pips, or actually less than that. Because, as I said before, this signal is being sent based on this support trend line right here. So if the market has ever been able to break out from that level, it means that this signal is no longer valid. And for those who have entered from the original entry, you can close the trade with the small profit that we have made, and that's it. So I believe that's everything for the USD CHF. Hopefully it's gonna work very well, and hopefully it's gonna bring us lots of profits. Let's now take a look at the gold. The gold actually has fallen for more than 800 pips for this week. 800 this week? No. Wait a minute. Yes, from here. For more than 664 pips pips for this week. Actually, that is all happened when Mr. Joe Biden has actually nominated Mr. Jerome Powell to serve as chair of the Federal Reserves. And now, of course, this news has actually hit the market, and as we can see, the gold has been affected very badly by this news. However, we can expect from the gold to continue the fall, but we have to expect exactly where we can start shorting the pair. So let me just analyze it properly. Right now, we're having here this strong resistance trend line, and most likely the gold right now is gonna rise for another 107 or 81 pips actually, just to gain some liquidity, and eventually the gold is gonna continue the fall. As we can see right here, my friends, we're having this resistance trend line right here, and seems to me like the market is actually respecting this level. This is the resistance trend line, and as I said, the market seems like it's respecting this level. So therefore, I would say that the gold must likely gonna rise all the way to this level right here of the previous resistance. I just don't think there is any way for the gold to break out from that level easily. With this very strong bearish momentum that we're having, the gold eventually gonna reach this level of the resistance at 1810, and is gonna retest it, and hopefully it's gonna respect this level, and then it's gonna great to be short. And let me tell you, if the gold has reversed right here, that's gonna be a big score for us Forex traders, because most likely what's gonna happen next is like this. The market is gonna continue to rise like this, retesting the broken resistance, and eventually gonna fall all the way till it reaches that support level right here. And then we will be having right here a support trend line which has been broken out from. Then we can expect from the gold to rise again, retesting the broken support trend line, and then it's gonna continue the fall all the way till it reaches 1731. I believe the gold is going all the way to this level of 1731. I don't see any hope for the gold to rise actually at the moment, but however, for the meantime, we will be maintaining a short order. So let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Now we can see clearly that the market has already respected this level of the resistance. We already have right here a resistance number 1, which means the market has already tested this level. So the market has shown a weakness at the level of the resistance, which means we can expect from the gold to reverse exactly on the same level. As I said before, the market has shown a weakness to break out from this level of 1810. So let me just write for you the signal. 1 second. So here goes your signal for the gold. As you can see, my friends, we can start shorting the pair exactly from the second attempt of the resistance at 1809.65, and the target will be right here, the nearest strong key support level on 1781.66. And I have to remind everyone that usually I'm updating everyone on the free group on Telegram right here about any changes happened on any signal, especially the gold. If there was something happened here that's gonna change our opinion about the gold, I will announce it there on the free group. So please make sure you are joining the free group just to receive the updates about the YouTube signals, if they will be changed or not. And if I see any changes happen right here, not only I'm gonna announce it on the free group, but I will also make a new deal of the day video. But by the way, yes, this week I will make another deal of the day video. I have to bring these videos back. I believe they were very helpful for the members, and even not for the members, I mean, they were very helpful for everyone who watches our YouTube channel. So in the end, I think everything is gonna be well for this week. I believe everything is gonna go very nice, and hopefully the market is gonna be loyal and give us all the profits that we are seeking. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.